Namaste students. In this video we are going to see the new chapter, that construction. In that exercise 11.1 first problem we are going to see. Okay. Draw a line segment. So first we have to draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. We have to divide that line segment into the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. So how we can divide in the 5:8 ratio? That only we are going to see here. Okay. So first step, we have to draw line segment. The length is 7.6. Length is 7.6. Draw a line segment. Mark this as A, B, 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter. And draw one line, that acute angle. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Making an acute angle with AB. Angle must be less than 90 degree. Okay, angle must be less than 90 degree. Angle must be less than 90 degree. Draw any acute angle. Okay. Mark this ray here as X. And then you are going to divide the ray AX into 13 parts. How 13 means 5, we have 5:8, no? So 5 plus 8 is 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. So I'm going to divide 8 equal parts. And we have to mark them as A1, A2, A3, like that we have to mark. So totally how many parts you are going to divide? 13 parts. 1 centimeter, and take 1 centimeter in compass, and then mark A1, I'm going to rotate A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we divided 13 parts and write this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, 8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13. So now first we have drawn the line segment for the 7.6 centimeter, and we have drawn a acute angle. After that we divided 13 equal parts in the ray AX. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, 12, 13. And then what you have to do means you have to join the point A13 and B last. A13 and B. Clear? A13 and B. And what is the ratio? For which ratio we have to divide? Kana 5:8. So take 5. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. From the point A5, draw one line that must be parallel to BA13. Draw a parallel line for BA13. How to draw the parallel line? Just like that we can't draw that one. So accurately we have to draw the parallel line. Okay. So how we have to draw means, take some measure in compass and keep it here in A13 and cut an arc. Cut an arc. After that, without changing that measurement, from A5 you have to cut another arc. Another arc. Clear all of you? And measure this size dakana here. Measure this one. Okay, without changing that measurement, from here that you have cut an arc, no? On that arc you have to cut another arc. Measure this side and without changing that measurement, from here you have to cut another arc. Clear? So mark this point and from A5 to that point, and that line must meet the line segment AB. Clear? So mark this point as C. Mark this point as C. So C divides AB in the ratio 5:8. In the ratio 5:8. Clear? Are you all clear how to draw the parallel line? Take some measurement in compass. Cut an arc from A13. And without changing that measurement, from A5 you have to cut another arc. After that you have to measure this angle, this size. Measure this, and without changing that measurement, from that arc here, okay, from here you have to cut an arc and then join the meeting point from A5 to C. So C divides AB in the ratio 5:8. In the ratio 5:8. The total length is 7.6 now. So it divides 3 centimeter here, 4.6 centimeter. So totally 7.6 centimeter you got. Okay. So how to justify? We have to justify this one. How we have to justify? Justification. This is a triangle that A13 is a triangle. In triangle A13, it is a triangle, and which one is parallel? A13B is parallel to A5C. A13B here. A13B parallel to A13B, this line parallel to this line A5C. These two are parallel lines. Since it is parallel in the triangle AB A13 and the two lines are parallel, by which theorem we can tell that the sides are in same proportion? By BPT theorem. By BPT theorem we can tell that the corresponding sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. So not corresponding sides, sides are in proportion. That is A5 divided by A5 divided by A5 to A13. A5 to A13, that one side, and is equal to AC divided by CB or BC, you can write. Okay, is equal to 5:8. 8 divides in the ratio 5:8. Therefore, AC is to BC is equal to 5:8. This is our justification. This is a triangle. See here, this is a triangle. A3B and A5C are the parallel lines. I can apply the BPT theorem here, and I can tell that the sides are in ratio, same ratio. So A5 to 13, AC divided by BC is equal to 5/8. Therefore, AC is to BC is equal to 5:8. Clear all of you? Thank you.